Building a feedback loop with forms and email sequences is one of the most powerful ways to engage your audience and continuously improve your product or service. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to build an efficient feedback loop using forms and email sequences, so you can start gathering insights and automating responses today. The first thing you need to do is create a form to collect feedback. This could be a survey, a satisfaction form, or even just a simple yes/no question. When choosing a platform for creating forms, make sure it integrates with your email system. If you want to follow along with the same software I'm using, I've left a link for an exclusive free trial in the description below. Once your form is set up, think about what questions you're going to ask. Keep them simple and focused. For instance, you might want to ask how satisfied someone is with your product, or if there's anything they'd like to see improved. The goal here is to get actionable insights. Ask your questions in a way that's easy for people to respond to. You don't want to overwhelm them with a long list of things to fill out. Next, let's talk about email sequences. Once you've gathered feedback through your form, the next step is setting up an email sequence to follow up with your respondents. This email sequence should be automated, so you're not manually responding to each person. With our software, you can set up triggers that send specific emails based on the answers people give in the form. For example, if someone rates your service poorly, you can automatically send them an email asking for more details or offering a discount as a thank you for their feedback. If they rate you highly, you can ask them to leave a testimonial. The key here is to make the process automated. This saves you time while ensuring that your feedback loop is continuous. After you've set up the feedback form and email sequence, test everything to make sure your emails go out smoothly and the feedback is captured accurately. Make sure your form integrates with your email service provider and check that the email triggers work as intended. Now that you've set up your feedback loop, it's crucial to continuously review the feedback you receive. This is the part where the feedback loop becomes powerful. You gather feedback, use it to improve your product or service, and then ask for more feedback. It's a cycle that ensures constant improvement. Key takeaway: building a feedback loop with forms and email sequences allows you to continuously gather insights and improve your customer experience without having to manually respond to every piece of feedback. The key steps are creating the form, setting up the email sequence, and automating the process. This will help you optimize your operations and keep customers engaged. Before I close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along with the same software I'm using to create this feedback loop. If you found this video helpful, remember the main points. Create a form, set up an email sequence, automate the process, and review your feedback regularly. Thanks for watching.